see where I'm heading. I see it. Wow! Check this out. What if I told you there's a place where you could walk alone at 2 a.m. as a foreigner and feel completely safe? And we're gonna do that tonight. No gangs, no sketchy alleyways, no fear as I cruise through an alley now. Just peace, friendly locals, and the hum of everyday life. Sound unreal? Right? Well, welcome to small town China. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm an American. I started visiting China over 20 years ago and have been living in China for the past 14 years. A little bit about myself, I have a wonderful lady by my side and we're raising 2 beautiful children in China. And this video just might help explain a little bit on why I've decided to raise my children in China. I'm in Qiaotou, a small town in Dongguan in the Guangdong province. Let's cruise around a little bit. And in small towns, this is how they roll. Everybody squeezing on a taxi motorbike. It's a beautiful thing. Be safe, but it is the cheapest way to go. Let's see them roll away. I'm far away from the futuristic megacities like Shenzhen or Shanghai. And here, life moves a little bit slower. And from my understanding, people are kinder here. And I find that a little hard to believe because no matter where I go in China, the people are kind. So let's see as we cruise around a back alley. And it is safe. I hear small towns in China are safe, peaceful, and you get the real China experience. Let's check it out. See if we could make it up these stairs for now. Lot of steps here. Lots of steps. Look at this. This is so cool. So I'm in a very small town, but heading up high. Into the sky. Whew. This will show you how out of shape you are. Look at this. Oh, more steps. I'm out of shape. Wow, where are these steps taking me? Wow, just keeps going on and on. Oh, okay, I see it. I see where I'm heading. I see it. Wow, check this out. It's China. Look at this thing. How old is this? Wow. The question is, do I walk up those stairs? Oh man, let's go for it. Oh. Lucky me, it's locked. I will show you. I'm not cheating. I cannot continue. Probably would be a nice view up there. But damn, I'm out of shape. So the stairs I just came up, there's another set of stairs on the other side. Let's head down, see what we see. But first, let's check this thing out a little bit more. Wow, it goes up so high. This is kind of how high I'm up. Look at this, down here. Like I'm in a forest. In the middle of this forest is a pagoda. Heading down. These steps are so wide, it's hard to get the rhythm, and they're different sizes. And it's wet. I don't want to slip. A lot of steps. Boy, if you lived over here in this area and you were into working out, you could walk or run up these steps up and down, and you would get in shape. Guess these are little rest areas. Now we got a flat walkway, much easier. Oh, more steps. I think I made it to the bottom. Ooh, look at these. These are steep. Walk with caution. Okay, made it up and down safely. Well, safety might not even be a question. Stick with me. Watch this video and let's see together why China's small towns might be the safest places you'll ever visit. First, let's talk about why towns like Qiaotou feel so safe compared to big cities or Western cities. China has one of the lowest violent crime rates in the world. And in small towns like this, community is everything. There are 3 big reasons for this. Strong community. Everyone knows each other. Strangers stand out, like I do. But that's a good thing. The locals will look out for you. Surveillance? Yes. There's police, just like in the big cities. There's surveillance cameras, just like in the big cities. And remember what I've always said, the cameras are for your well-being. They detour crime. Cameras are a good thing. I'll keep saying it all the time. Cameras are in place to keep everyone safe. Keep your safety in place. And the police presence, there are substations everywhere to keep us all safe in China. Even have some nice motorcycles in these small towns. And look at the beautiful chickens here. Yeah. Here we are putting on some chickens here. This is the finished product. And this guy here will bring it right to you quickly and efficiently. Cultural values, respect, and harmony are deeply ingrained in China, and small towns are no different. Simply amazing here. Random violence, extremely rare. I've traveled in many places in China, in the US, and other parts of the world. And I've never felt as comfortable walking alone at night as I do here in China. Everybody is so friendly. Look at this dog. Hello, even you're friendly. This guy's friendly. Hello. Everybody's so friendly here.
Hello.
Hello, ni hao.
Ni hao.
Say hello. Say hello. Everybody's so friendly here. It's simply amazing. Let's take a real night walk. It's coming up on 10 p.m. Families are still out. Shops are still open. Food stalls are still open. And nobody's looking over their shoulder in fear. Why? Because it is safe. In many countries, you wouldn't see kids out this late. But in China, it's safe. Kids are safe. Parents do not worry. I don't worry as a parent. Why? Because it's simply safe. The thing that blows my mind the most is the locals don't even think about danger, because it's just everyday life, and that everyday life is peacefulness. All right. A little bit of bike trick action here in China. And what I've noticed walking around this small town, you get curious looks. Evidently, not too many foreigners have passed through here. but no hostility. Everybody smiles. Friendly people everywhere in China. People might even try stopping you. Why? Not only to say hi, but to practice their English skills with you. It's great. More friendly people. Hello. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Love it. Small town China. Friendly, friendly, friendly. Huh? I'm America. Yeah. 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 How are you? Yeah. I'm going to give you my only recommendation. You should be wearing helmets. You should have helmets. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And the locals like to ask, where are you from? And get ready for a lot of hellos. I've lived in China for years. And when I arrived in China back in the day, the biggest culture shock wasn't the language or food. It was how safe I felt, like now. I wasn't used to that in the US. It's simply safe in China. No catcalling, no drunk guys starting fights, no areas I should avoid. Just peacefulness everywhere in China. Hello. Now, is China perfect? Of course not. No country is. But it's pretty damn close. When it comes to personal safety in China, especially for solo travelers or females, China is a game changer. It's as safe as it gets, and that is the truth. I still have people constantly back home asking me, do you feel safe in China? And I pretty much say the same thing every time. I've never felt safer. I have not once ever felt scared in China. Well, that's where I walked earlier today, but could not walk up to the top. Gate was locked. Wow, is that pagoda beautiful? Those lights really illuminate. This is one of the largest airplanes I've ever seen in a parking lot in my life, and actually the first. Look at that thing. Wow! Let's check it out. "10 o'clock at night. This place is jumping. Gotta watch my step here. Families out, kids out, everybody having a good time. Ni hao. How are you? Huh? Ni hao. Bye-bye. Just love the friendly people. It's a beautiful thing. It's a wonderful thing. People, everybody out having a good time here, huh? Everybody, my new friend here. A little hot tonight, huh? Happy, happy. Everybody's happy. Yeah. Yeah, you're supposed to say, welcome to China.
Welcome to China.
Yeah. So, is China safe? Yes. Small towns like Qiaotou? Absolutely. Completely safe. It's a different kind of peace in China. One that makes you rethink what safety really means. Have you traveled to China? Have you experienced anything what I've mentioned about safety in China? What about where you live now? What's it like? What's the safety really like? I have a question for you. Do you still have doubts about China's safety? Or do you believe China is a safe country? Leave some comments below. Would love to read them. So I know this doesn't have the glitz and glamour of Shenzhen, but this town has its own charm. So hey, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. And do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Remember, I respect everybody's opinion, whether I agree or disagree. Everybody, be good, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.